Hi! In front of me is LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords autofill. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, tap on this gear next to Password Manager and make sure that Over to Save Passwords option is enabled. Then log into one of your apps and click on Allow in Password Manager pop-up. This way you will save a password that will appear over here. Now, if you wish to add it from those settings, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords and then enter your website data, or tap on Select App and tap on the chosen one. I want to save my password for Netflix. Now you need to enter all of those informations: username or email, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finished, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my Netflix password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!